Hey everyone, this video will show you how to use the Kiefer Library here at Ames Community College. The Kiefer Library spends a lot of money on resources, so it's worth checking out these newspapers, articles, scholarly journals, videos, books, and other types of resources to use in your academic papers if you like. If you're on campus, you can go ahead and search a term in the search box just like you would for Google. If you're off campus, you're going to want to create a password for the library catalog if you haven't done that yet. From there, you'll use your Ames A number, which is available in Workday and D2L as your username, then create a password. This is what you'll use when you log in when you're off campus, but you don't log in until after you get some search results. So let's get some search results. I want to show you that you can search by keyword. You can search for just peer-reviewed journals if you want. There's databases here by subject or A through Z. And there's also a 24/7 library chat. So if you're having trouble at all with your research, talk to a librarian, get them to do it for you. So let's click search on Colorado fracking. All right, so it looks like I have 23,000 results, which is too many, just like the internet. First thing I can do to bring that number down is to just look at the last, 10 years or even less um, of search results, just so that we are up to date. Now I have 18,000 search results. That's still a lot, but I can narrow them down by news, by academic journals, ebooks, magazines, reviews. I'm just going to click news. Let's say I also want to narrow it down a little bit and talk just about Colorado fracking laws. I can add other search terms like laws, and that should narrow it down a little bit too. So I added a second search term for Polis. He is our current governor right now, so I thought that would get me in the last couple of years. And I do see some from the last few years. Here's one from October 2021. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. I'm logged in, but at this point, if you're off campus and not logged in, it will ask you for your password. From here, we can see that there's a full text that we can read. There's an abstract, which is not the full text. It just kind of tells you what it's about. There's also, they'll tell you how many pages it is, the date, all of that good stuff. What's lovely about the Kiefer Library is that there is a cite button. So if you were to use this source in your paper, you could simply go and find the type of citation you want, copy and paste it into your paper. It's not always correct, but most of the time it is. You can also click here to add it to your Google Drive, your OneDrive, email it to yourself, or otherwise save it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any tech problems, do feel free to contact the Learning Commons Technology Assistance and Computer Learning Lab. Happy researching!